From the vast darkness of space, there emerges a jewel. This is Earth, our home. For a moment, everything is still. Everything is perfect. Mountains rise and valleys fall. And this is the story of how it began. Before stars, before light, there was nothing, an infinite void, a silence that had no end. Then, in that nothingness, something impossible, a point containing all energy, all matter. In an instant, it exploded. Space itself was born. The universe began, 1/1,000,000th of a second after creation. The universe is incomprehensible soup of pure energy. As it cools, the first building blocks appear, protons and neutrons, foundations of all matter. Matter triumphs over antimatter. One particle favors slightly, tipping the balance forever. The first atoms form. Hydrogen, the simplest element. From this, everything will be built. For hundreds of millions of years, darkness reigns. Hydrogen and helium drift through endless night. Then the first stars are born. Gravity crushes hydrogen until fusion ignites. Light returns. Inside stellar furnaces, the simplest elements fuse into carbon, oxygen, iron, gold. Massive stars explode as supernovae. They scatter elements across space. Death gives life. Gravity weaves scattered elements into a cosmic web. Galaxies cluster together into unimaginable scale. In one corner of this web, a galaxy takes shape. Our Milky Way, our home in the cosmos. Within the Milky Way, a cloud of gas and dust begins to collapse. Our solar system is born. The collapsing nebula spins faster, flattens into a disk. Material spirals inward. At the center, matter ignites nuclear fusion. Our sun is born. Light fills our region of space. In the disk, dust grains collide and stick. They become planetesimals, seeds of planets. Planetesimals merge into planetary embryos. They crash together in violent collisions. A Mars-sized object collides with our young world. The impact is catastrophic. Earth becomes molten magma. Iron sinks to the center, creating Earth's core. Lighter materials rise, forming the mantle and crust. Theia, a Mars-sized object, strikes Earth at an angle. The impact nearly destroys our planet. Debris from the collision spirals into orbit. Gravity pulls it together. Our moon is born. Earth's surface cools. The first solid crust forms, a fragile skin on a burning world. Comets and meteorites bring frozen water from space. Water arrives from the cosmic depths. Rain begins to fall. For the first time, water condenses from the sky. The oceans are born. Earth is still hellish. Acid rain falls from a toxic atmosphere. Volcanoes erupt constantly. Asteroids bombard our world. The solar system is still chaotic, still being shaped by violence. Deep in the ocean, hydrothermal vents open in the seafloor. These become life's first nurseries. In alkaline vents, chemical gradients create natural batteries. Simple chemicals react like life. Complex organic molecules form in vent water. The building blocks of life itself emerge. RNA emerges, a molecule that copies itself. RNA blurs the line between chemistry and life. Lipid membranes form spontaneously. Walls separate inside from outside. The boundary of life is drawn, RNA, inside a lipid membrane. It can replicate and react. This is the first protocell, life's ancestor. DNA evolves from RNA, a double helix. Life discovers how to store instructions with perfect fidelity. Ribosomes evolve, molecular machines that read DNA and build proteins. Life discovers itself. All life on Earth descends from one organism, LUCA, the last universal common ancestor, our first mother. For 1 billion years, bacteria rule the planet. They spread and evolve, discovering new ways to harvest energy. Cyanobacteria cluster together, forming stromatolites. Earth's first cities, built by invisible architects. Photosynthesis emerges. Life learns to harvest the sun's energy directly. This changes everything. Photosynthesis releases oxygen as waste. The atmosphere transforms. The sky changes from orange to blue. For anaerobic bacteria, oxygen is deadly poison. The Great Oxidation Event is a mass extinction. The planet freezes nearly completely. Snowball Earth. Yet life persists, waiting for warmth. A bacteria engulfs another bacterium. They merge, creating the mitochondrion, powerhouse of complex life. With mitochondria, a new cell emerges. The eukaryote, complex, compartmentalized, far more powerful. Sexual reproduction evolves. Organisms exchange genes. Variation explodes. Evolution accelerates. Cells stick together, dividing labor. The first multicellular organisms emerge. Complex bodies take shape. The ediacaran fauna appears. Soft, quilted bodies unlike anything alive today. Evolution experiments. Life explodes into thousands of new forms. Hard shells emerge. Eyes evolve. The Cambrian explosion. Vision emerges. The ability to see changes predator-prey dynamics forever. Fish evolve. Streamlined bodies, fins for steering, gills extracting oxygen from water. Some fish evolve jaws, a revolutionary weapon. Predators become supreme. Life becomes a hunt. Green algae creep onto land. Roots grip rock. Plants begin their invasion of continents. Massive trees rise on land. The first forests spread. They transform the atmosphere. A fish with limbs discovers it can breathe air. Tiktaalik takes the first step onto continents. The amnioti egg emerges, a self-contained life support system. Animals reproduce away from water. The Permian extinction. 96% of marine species vanish. Life nearly ends. From the ashes, dinosaurs emerge. They will dominate for 160 million years. The Jurassic period. Dinosaurs achieve their greatest size. Brachiosaurus towers over forests. A dinosaur evolves feathers. It climbs trees, glides, and truly flies. Birds are born. Flowering plants appear. Flowers advertise with color and scent. Insects pollinate. A new relationship blooms. Tyrannosaurus rex emerges. 16 meters of teeth and muscle. The apex predator. Mammals stay small, hiding in shadows. They wait for their moment, which will come. An asteroid the size of a mountain streaks through space. It's heading for Earth. The asteroid strikes the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact releases energy of 1 billion nuclear bombs. Dust and ash block the sun. The planet freezes. The food chain collapses. Darkness reigns. The last dinosaur dies. A 65 million year reign ends. Yet dinosaurs evolve into birds. Mammals explode into vacant ecological niches. They grow larger, faster, smarter. In just a few million years, mammals diversify into thousands of species. Grasslands spread across continents. Grazing animals evolve. Horses, cattle, antelope. In African forests, apes evolve. Intelligent, social. Some will change the world. Some apes venture onto the savanna. Standing upright gives them wider view to spot predators. Lucy walks fully upright. 3 million years ago, our journey toward humanity begins. A tool. Human intelligence becomes exponential. Homo erectus spreads across continents. Humans capture fire. It changes society. Neanderthals compete for 30,000 years. Homo sapiens emerges with language and imagination. We paint in caves. We imagine beyond survival. Humans adapt to every environment. Megafauna disappear. Human intelligence is lethal. Agriculture begins. Civilization is born. Cities emerge. Thousands living together. Writing preserves knowledge. The pyramids rise. Iron transforms civilization. Athens brings reason and science. Newton reveals the laws of physics. Steam and machines accelerate progress. DNA is decoded. Earthrise, we see ourselves as one sphere. 8 billion humans today. We've transformed the planet. The sixth extinction is underway. Climate change threatens civilization. Solar and wind energy. Hope emerges. Artificial intelligence awakens. We rewrite DNA with CRISPR. We explore Mars. Life will spread to the stars. 13 billion years of evolution. Earth, a pale blue dot, 400 billion stars. Other Earths exist. Are we alone? Information organizes all creation. You are the cosmos aware. We are nature awakening. What will you create?